In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Higgsfield account to Claude. If you haven't signed up for Higgsfield yet, you can click on the first link in the description and sign up using a completely new account. Once you sign up and log into your Higgsfield account, go to the MCP and CLI section at the top. Here you'll find all the instructions for connecting your Higgsfield account to Claude. To get started, open your Claude account. On the left sidebar, click on Customize, then click on Connectors. At the top, you'll see a plus button to add a connector. While Claude has many official connectors available, Higgsfield doesn't have an official one yet, so we'll need to add a custom connector. Click Add Custom Connector. Enter the name of the connector. I'll enter Higgsfield. Next, it asks for a remote MCP server URL. Go back to Higgsfield, copy the remote MCP server URL displayed there, return to Claude, and paste it into the URL field. You can ignore the advanced settings below and click Add. After a few seconds, the Higgsfield MCP will be visible inside Claude. Although it's been added, our account isn't connected yet. Click the Connect option. Claude will ask for permission to connect to your Higgsfield account. Click Allow, and as you can see, it now says Connected to Higgsfield. Your Higgsfield account has been successfully connected to Claude. Now comes the important part: the permissions Claude has for your Higgsfield account. On the right side, you can see and customize all available permissions. The main permission at the top determines how Claude handles your requests. If set to Always Allow, Claude will directly generate any image or video you request without asking. If set to Needs Approval, it will ask your permission every time. If set to Block, it will not create the requested image or video. Below that, you have custom options where you can set individual permissions for each feature, choosing between Always Allow, Needs Approval, or Block for each one. Customizing these permissions helps ensure you don't consume all your Higgsfield credits too quickly. To verify the connection is active, go to your Claude prompt box, click the plus icon, and navigate to Connectors. You'll see Higgsfield listed as connected and enabled. Now you can simply prompt Claude to generate any image or video you want, and Claude will use your Higgsfield account to create it directly within the chat. That's how you connect your Higgsfield account to Claude. If you haven't signed up for Higgsfield yet, you can sign up using the link in the description. If you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable or Base 44, which are some of the best vibe coding tools out there, simply click on the videos appearing on your screen.